If you knew a secret world was hidden inside a volcano, would you be brave enough to enter? Arda noticed the silver-winged watch growing warm. As he wound it, he found himself in a massive cave. Standing before him was the ancient dragon, the master of fire.
Only a pure heart can withstand this heat.
Together with the dragon, they rescued a baby dragon trapped in the rocks. True courage isn't the absence of fear. It's helping others despite it. Don't forget to subscribe to catch Arda's next fiery quest.